Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, peach by China Glaze called Feel the Breeze, and purple by CND Creative Play called Raising Eyebrow. So I'm going to apply the white polish onto a sandwich bag. Make sure that the polish is thick so you're able to smush. If it's not too thick, it's going to dry fast. So you want to be able to have a thick coat of polish. And as you can see, I'm just adding drops of the peach and the purple. I just like this color combo together. Then using a small nail stamper, I'm just going to smush the colors together. And I'm going to pick it up with a large stamper. I always do that because I get more choices with the larger stamp than the smaller. That's just my way of doing it. And as you can see, I liked how it came out. Then using my Finger Angels A003 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this abstract stamp design. I just love it. I recently got these plates on Amazon, and I really didn't know how well they would work, but I have to say they're really good plates. They're cut deep and they pick up really well, so I do like it, and they have some nice fun designs. And as you can see, I just applied the stamp design on my nails. I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I like doing these smushies because they're really easy and simple to do, and I hope I made it easy for you to recreate. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.